Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can watch YouTube adult content on YouTube web. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, let's go ahead. First of all, go to your desired browser. Go to your desired browser, go to the search bar, and then simply type in youtube.com and search it out. Once you get the YouTube right over here in the web version, what you need to do is you need to simply have to sign in. Once you have signed in with your account, then what you will do is you will have to disable the restricted mode. So I'm going to show you with my YouTube app for that matter. So once you have signed in over here, you go to your profile, go to settings, then go to general, and then you can say restricted mode. This helps high potential mature videos. So if it's toggled on, that means you will not have access to all the adult content. So you have to turn that off so you can see the adult content. So what you need to do that same in your web browser. When you have added your age description, and if your age requires you to be underage, that could also be the problem. That means you have to change your age, so make sure you are over 18 for that matter. And if your YouTube account is connected with the family link, then you have to make sure that you adjust the restriction via your family link or Google family account so you can access that. Otherwise, that's all you can do about it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.